Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are going to be making some shortbread cookies, and for these cookies we're just going to be using three ingredients, which are all-purpose flour, icing sugar, and the butter or margarine. Sorry, we also be adding it a little salt. That is if your butter or margarine is unsalted. Add the margarine or butter into your mixing bowl. Add it the icing sugar. Mix thoroughly and add salt also. I have how to make icing sugar in my channel here. You can check it out. You can easily make your own icing sugar at home. Mix everything thoroughly and then we add the flour. The spatula is not working fine, so I'll need to use my hand. I'll use my hand and knead it together to form a good dough. Mind you, you are not adding this any water or liquid. Just use your hand and continue to mix it until you form everything together like this. I will leave the exact measurements I used in the description box, so check it out to know the exact measurements I used. Now that I have finished mixing everything up, I will divide it into three. You can use knife for this, and then wrap it up with cling film. Put them in the fridge. After like 5 minutes, I'll start working with one. When I finish with one, I'll go to the next one, and that's what I'll do until I finish cutting the biscuit. And this is after about 10 minutes in the fridge. It has hardened a bit, so I'll spread it out with a rolling pin and then cut them into the shapes we want. We know that classic shortbread, we may not get the exact shape, but we'll try our best. I'll now cut it into the shape we want. Just keep watching and also use fork to give it that shape. You know, that look of shortbread we usually eat in Nigeria here. And we continue with the same process until we have cut the whole dough. And this is what we have with our classic shortbread shape. We can equally give it another shape. We can give it roundy shape. We can give it any shape of your choice. And here I'm giving it this circular shape with this measuring cup. Use anything you have. This is what I have and this is what I can use. And now it is time to bake. Yay! Here we have our baked shortbread cookies. They are looking so delicious, aren't they? I baked this for 30 minutes at 230 degrees Celsius. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then give me a thumbs up, share the video, give me your comment, let me know how you feel. And if you make this, let me know also. Thank you all for watching. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. If you're just tuning in for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. God bless you all.